Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing project which is known as Chicago Coin. So here we are on the website. Chicago Coin introduces CLT Token, a blockchain based solution revolutionizing the esports economy. Join a fair, transparent ecosystem connecting gamers, developers and fans. The market size for 2025 is more than $2 billion. Also annual growth is 20%. Global viewers are more than 500 million and tournament price is $100 million plus. The roadmap has been given on the website. It started into 2025 and it's all the way up to December 2026. So you can consider major updates into the product. Down here you can check out 9 pages white paper. So if you're interested into the product, you can read the whole white paper. In this video I'm going to tell you some of the major things such as the CLT token overview. The supply is 1 billion tokens. It's deployed on ERC20 chain, multi-chain compatibility as well as smart contract technology is used. Answer token distribution are given here. Down here you can check out their partners, which includes Bit Exchange, ICO Agency, Crypto Forest, Bitco.in, Burner Bitcoin, Coin Market and much more. Down here you can check out the about sections. So the vision is shown here. The vision is to revolutionize the esports industry by providing gamers with true ownership of digital assets, fostering collaborations and promoting economic inclusion through a decentralized economy. So this is really a game changer, so must check it out. Down here you can check out why you should choose them, because they have in-game transactions, community rewards, governance as well as cross-platform integration. Down here you can check out the ecosystem includes gamers, partners, developers as well as investors. Also the frequently asked questions are already answered by them in the website, such as what is Chicago Coin, what blockchain it's deployed on, what are pre-sale details, what are the claiming details as well as other details are shown here. Down here you can also follow them on Telegram, Twitter as well as on their YouTube channel. So now let's check out the audit. The product has been audited by Quill auditing site. You can check out the summary. It's really safe. The product has been passed the audit. So make sure you check out the audit as well. This is really amazing. So coming back to the site, I will give this product 10 out of 10. So make sure to check out this amazing product and do some on research as well. Just come to site, connect the wallet and check out the details. If you like the video, give that a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.